Hi, my name is Michael from DeLonghi, and on this video I'm going to show you how to descale your Specialista coffee machine. You'll know it's time to descale when this red light on here is solid. But before we start, what we're going to do is get rid of a few items. I want you to take off the filter handle. We don't need that at this point. I also want you to take away the filter. We don't need that into the water tank. We are going to need 100 ml of DeLonghi descaler. And we're also going to require a container large enough to capture all the water that's going to come through. For this, I'm going to use a 2 litre container. So I'm going to take the water I've already got in here and I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to give it a quick wash before I put in my descaler and my fresh water. So I've emptied my water tank and now what I'm going to do is place in my descaler. This is 100 ml of descaler. Just pop that into the tank. Now I've got some fresh water, about 1 litre of water, and I'm going to take it up to level B. So we just close the lid, place this onto the machine. So at this point, I'm now going to turn the dial to start the descale process. That'll be here. So I'm going to turn this all the way to there. Before I press OK, I'm going to put my container under all 3 spouts. So our light is flashing to say that we're in descale mode. And then when I press OK, there's going to be some pulsing actions through 3 of the spouts. So don't be too concerned if this process takes some time. It could take anywhere up to an hour. And don't worry if there's pauses in between, that's completely natural. So I'm going to press OK now. This is starting our descale process. So our first part of our descale process is complete. The descale light is still flashing. We know it's complete because we're out of water and the tank needs refilling. So what I'm going to do first is remove the water container here. And then I'm going to remove the water tank and I'm going to fill this up to max. I've just rinsed through my water tank and now what I'm going to do is fill it with fresh water. I don't need any solution in this, but this time I'm going to go to the max line. Once it's full, close the lid and just put it on the machine. So next I'm going to get my container that I had before, place it under the spouts, same as we did the first time, but this time I'm actually going to press the rinse button. Our rinse cycle is now complete. Our descale light is still flashing and our water needs refilling. So what I'm going to do first of all is remove the container. I'm now going to remove the drip tray too and I'm going to give that a clean. And finally, I'm going to take the water tank out and give that a rinse as well. I filled my water tank up to the max. I'm just going to put my drip tray back in. So all I need to do now is turn this dial over to my favourite drink, which is espresso, and away you go.